So now we are going to study today conductivity and molar conductivity relationship. Now conductivity, as we have studied in our last lecture, that conductivity is K. Okay, conductivity is K. It is the conductance of 1 ml of solution. And to repeat and revise once again, we wrote yesterday G is equal to 1 upon R, which is equal to 1 upon rho L A, which is equal to K A upon L. And we also studied that G is equal to K, which means conductivity is conductance of solution. Conductivity is conductance of either 1 centimeter cube of solution, or we say unit cube material. Okay. Now today we are going to start with what is molar conductivity. So be very careful and just listen to the audio and look at the video. Molar conductivity, in order to understand what is molar conductivity, I begin with what is the meaning of C molar solution. C molar solution means C moles in 1000 ml. So if C moles are in 1000 ml, then 1 mole will be present in how many mLs? It will be 1 into 1000 upon C ml. Now 1 ml of solutions conductivity is K. Okay, that is kappa. K is also called as kappa. So 1 ml solutions conductivity is K. Therefore 1000 upon C ml solutions conductivity would be 1000 into K. Okay, 1000 upon C into K upon 1. That is 1000 K upon C. And this is known as lambda m. And what is lambda m? This lambda m is known as molar conductivity. So we have derived the relation between lambda m and K. What is K? K is conductance of 1 ml solution. K is conductance of 1 centimeter cube of a particular conductor. It is basically unit cube material. But what is lambda m? Lambda m is known as the molar conductivity. It is the conductance of not 1 ml. It is the conductance of 1 molar solution. So pay attention to this, that conductivity is 1 ml for 1 ml and molar conductance is for 1 molar solution. Now we studied molar conductivity and conductivity. We begin with variation of molar conductivity with the concentration. Now what do I mean by this topic, that variation of molar conductivity with the concentration? It means that if you change the concentration of the solution, what will happen to the molar conductivity? So here I have one example in front of you. We are having a beaker. Beaker is having a solution in it. Okay, and this solution is having particular conductivity, is having particular molar conductivity. When I say conductivity, it means conductivity of 1 ml solution. Let me label this as 1 ml solution. This circle what I have drawn, let us say that this is 1 ml. So 1 ml solution's conductance is K and the conductance of entire 1 molar solution is lambda m. Now as the topic says that variation of molar conductivity with concentration. So what is happening to this solution? We add water. So students, when we are adding water into this